In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex lot size calculator in Tradingview. Whether you're just starting out in Forex trading or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to simulate trades effectively is a crucial step toward becoming a confident trader. Paper trading, which allows you to practice using virtual funds in real market conditions, is an excellent way to test strategies without risking your money. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a paper trading account, configure it to your preferences, and place a simulated Forex trade with precision. If you're new to Tradingview, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and follow along. To begin, open Tradingview and locate the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. This is the central hub for accessing tools that help you simulate trades. Once you find it, click on the Trading Panel tab, and from the listed options, choose Paper Trading. This feature is designed specifically for practicing strategies using pretend money while still reflecting real market conditions. It's a safe and effective way to learn without any financial risk. Now, in the Paper Trading panel, you'll see an option with your account name. Click on Create Account. This step sets up a sandboxed environment with a practice balance for you to trade in. When prompted, enter a name for your account. Something clear and specific like Forex is a good choice. Organizing your practice accounts with distinct names makes it easier to manage them as you progress. Next, you'll need to set your balance. This is the amount of simulated money you want to work with. Type in a figure that feels comfortable for you, whether it's $1,000, $10,000 or another amount. Remember, this is virtual money, so it's all about creating an environment that reflects your real trading goals. After that, you'll see a field for Forex leverage. Leverage allows you to control positions larger than your actual balance. If you're a beginner, it's wise to start with a conservative leverage setting to minimize your risk while you learn. Once you've entered your balance and chosen your leverage, click Create to finalize your paper trading account setup. You now have a dedicated practice account tailored to your preferences. With your account ready, let's move on to placing a trade. First, select a Forex pair chart to analyze URUSD as a common example. This chart represents the currency pair you'll simulate trading. After selecting a pair, use the long position tool from the toolbar if you're planning to simulate a buy. This tool is incredibly helpful because it visually displays your entry point, stop loss, and take profit levels right on the chart. To get started, click on your chosen price level. This places a starter template for your long position on the chart. Now right-click on the long position box that appears and select the option to adjust or set your lot size. The lot size determines the amount of currency you're trading, and this directly impacts your potential gains or losses. It's important to find a balance here. Choosing a lot size that's too large may put your balance at risk, while a size that's too small might result in minimal outcomes. Use Tradingview's built-in calculator to review how your selected lot size affects your risk and reward. Don't hesitate to experiment with different sizes until you find one that aligns with your strategy. Once your lot size is set, adjust your entry, stop loss, and take profit lines directly on the chart. Simply drag them to your preferred levels. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune your trade so it aligns perfectly with your strategy. Take your time here. This step is essential for ensuring an optimal risk-to-reward ratio. And remember, the more precise your adjustments, the more realistic your practice will be. To finalize your trade, you'll need to create a limit order. Alternatively, you can right-click the position box and select Buy from the panel. Either option works, so choose whichever you find more intuitive. Before proceeding, double-check all the details of your trade, ensuring your lot size entry, stop loss, and take profit levels are accurate. Once you're satisfied, click Send Order to execute your simulated trade. Congratulations, you've just placed a professional-style Forex trade in your paper trading account. By following these steps, you'll gain valuable hands-on experience with Forex trading in a completely risk-free environment. If you have any questions or want me to cover specific topics in future videos, feel free to let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.